welcome to MamaGoRound. My name is Virgilia, and in this channel, myself as a mom, I'll be talking about anything mom, alright? From cleaning, towards cooking, towards, staying fit after having kids, right? But for this first video, I'm actually gonna do an unboxing of some of my items that I've actually recently received in my mail. Okay, so the first one is this is actually a free host gift from the company of Norwex. If you guys are not familiar with Norwex, I have another video in regards to that. I'm creating one video in terms of introduction of Norwex and why I love them. But for this video itself, I'm gonna be unboxing the host gift of the month. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, so for this host gift, most of the time, because I am a Norwex consultant, and I do in terms of parties. So some parties I myself host, therefore I get the host gift. Okay, so this time around, for this month, one of the host gift, and this is actually gifted from the company, so that's why I love them so much. Okay, so if you hear some music in the background, those are actually my kids. So awesome. So I have, so beautiful the color. This is a window cloth. Okay, so this is the Norwex window cloth. Perfect for polishing, for shining, cleaning mirrors, cleaning windows, any surfaces that you want to shine off. Okay, glasses, mirrors, stainless steel. This is really awesome. Okay, I'll demo to you guys maybe in another video, but this is just an unboxing, right? So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of the items that I'm opening today. So this is the window cloth. Fresh produce. So this is to remove any harm, chemicals, pesticides from your fresh produce. Okay, maybe in terms of your vegetables, your fruits. Okay, although some, if you guys are eating organic food, okay, you still never know. There may be certain residues, okay, hidden there. So use this, and of course, this is the little spray head that comes together with this fresh produce. So beautiful, right? The colors, my gosh. I really love this color. I think this is in the color Sea Mist. It's so beautiful. I love all the Enviro cloth. Okay, Norwex is truly one of the companies that has actually caught my attention. I love their global mission in terms of trying to reduce the use of harmful chemicals at home. Okay, truly I have been converted. Right, I no longer use floor cleaners. I just use water to clean off my floors. Alright, I don't use any harmful chemicals. Alright, so really, if you guys are not acquainted with Norwex, do check out their website, guys. Okay, so that's the first unboxing. So put aside. Next one, I actually got this from my cousin. Okay, so she is also doing a few sales. Okay, she sells cookware, and this one really caught my eye because being Asians, everyday rice is a necessity, right? And how do you guys store your rice? Maybe just put up in the comment and let me know. But like for me, so far I just clip it with those IKEA clips. But I wanna do something better. Are you ready? Dun, da, da, da. And here we go. The EZYCOOK rice storage container. If you can see, it sort of is, the color truly is in line with my whole home concept. Okay, the colors is truly beautiful. I love it. Okay, so this container is used to properly store rice. Okay, so why I decided to buy it is because let me see. Okay, I'm gonna go half here. Okay, open. So beautiful the color, and it's really sturdy too, right? So this can hold up, I think, up to 8 kilos. It can hold up to 8 kilos of rice. Okay, it looks awesome. And I didn't have to wait so long as well in terms of getting this. Alright, this is like pre-ordered items, okay? It comes to, if you can see, there's a little bit of holes here, like a, sort of like a colander. So what you do is, once this one, you just press for the rice to come out. Okay, depending on how much rice you want. Oh look, that's so cool. I just was testing it. The thing came out right away. So you just press as to how much rice you want. And when you do the rinsing, you can just like rinse your rice, clean it, and then just get the water out from this hole itself. So convenient. It has the measurement here as well in terms of how many ml. Okay, so awesome. I wonder what this is for. Let me see. So you simply open and you pour in the rice, and basically voila.